online classes. Now we are discuss the topic of motion. We have to revise the topic motion. So now we can discuss the various topics, how we can define the motion. After that, various terminology which is related to the motions. Now we are discussing the next terminology which is related to the motion is displacement. Next terminology is displacement. Displacement. How we can define the displacement? Displacement, if any particle is moving from point A to point B. This is a point A and this is a point B. This is called initial point and this is called final point. Final. If we draw an arrow, means we have to join these 2 points, initial and final, by a minimum path. Then this path is known as displacement. This is displacement. And the actual path which is traveled by the object, this is the actually path. This is the actual path which traveled by the object. This is called distance. This is called distance. This is the distance. These two terms we have to understand first. Now we can understand what is the displacement and what is the distances. Distance is the actual path covered by the particle, and displacement is the minimum path traveled by the particles. So we are defining the first displacement, minimum path traveled by the object. Minimum path traveled by the object. Minimum path traveled by the object. This is the displacement. Now we can defining the distance. The next terminology, distance. Distance is the actual path. This is the actual path. This is the actual path traveled by the object. This is called the distance. Now what is the SI unit of? SI unit of distance and displacement. Distance and displacement is meter. This is the SI unit. Now distance is scalar quantity. Scalar. Displacement is vector quantity. Vector quantities. So we have to remember these points. What is the distance and what is the displacement? Distance is symbol for distance. Generally we are using the distance symbol is D. Distance symbol is D and displacement symbol is S. We have to, when we are using S, this is the displacement, and when we are using D, then it is for the distance. These are the basic difference. Now the relation between distance and displacement is displacement mod less than and equal to distance. We have to remember third next point is displacement may be positive, negative, or 0, but distance is always positive. Distance is always, these points we have to memorize. The first basic differences: SI unit, both of the distance and displacement have the same SI unit, that is the meter. Distance is a scalar quantity, displacement is a vector quantity. Symbol for the distance is capital D, displacement is S. We have to remember this relation: mode of displacement, and it means absolute value of the displacement is always less than equal to distances. Displacement may be positive, negative or 0, and distance is always positive.